Keep learning and exploring with Wonder Kids.
Hospital equipment quiz for kids. What does a doctor use to listen to your heartbeat? Stethoscope. Which of these helps a person who cannot walk? Wheelchair. What is used to take a picture of your bones? X-ray machine. What do doctors wear over their mouths to stay safe? Mask. Which tool is used to check if you have a fever? Thermometer. What do you call the special bed with wheels? Stretcher. What does a nurse use to clean a small cut? Cotton swab. What helps a patient breathe if they need extra air? Oxygen mask. What do doctors use to look deep into your ears? Otoscope. What are the metal sticks that help someone walk? Crutches.
Hooray! Thanks for watching! If you had fun, tap the like button. And subscribe for more adventures!